This just in, Donald Trump announcing that the deal is not going through until after the election for the stimulus bill, and instantly the stock market has a significant crash. We're seeing a green day turn into a very deep red day. In this video, we're going to talk about exactly what's happening. I just finished recording a video on how I was anticipating a few things happening. That's why I'm very bullish on the market. I anticipated that we would see the stimulus bill be released within the next few weeks before the election, and I announced that I was thinking that Trump's going to be fully healed in the next week, and all these positive things are going to happen where we're going to go to new highs in the stock market. Thus, I was bullish. So I just recorded that video, and then, what do you know, refresh my page, and I see a massive downward spike in all of my stocks, and I'm like, okay, what's happening? Do some searching. 4 minutes ago, I see the tweets. Donald Trump tweeting about Nancy Pelosi, deal's not going through. Now, here are a few things I'm thinking. First thing that comes to mind is Donald Trump, him announcing this, he must know that the stock market is not going to like this. And he's all for the stock market. He's talking about how we're at new highs, the economy's doing very well. Meanwhile, he just single-handedly crashed the stock market. So I'm assuming he is going to realize this and potentially get to a deal with Nancy Pelosi. Maybe he wanted to tweet that as some firepower and stand his ground. And this would also hopefully lean towards them resolving the deal. Who knows? My other decision is I'm thinking maybe we are seeing Trump acting weird from the COVID steroids that he was been using, the drugs, to come back to normal. Maybe there's some side effects and he's having these weird feelings. He was tweeting like crazy the last couple of days. He's been acting a little strange, right? So maybe these drugs had something to do with it. We're not sure, right? Never know. That could be a conspiracy theory in itself. However, at this point, I just wanted to get this out to you. I am unsure on what's going to happen. I know there's a massive sell-off now, and I know the market hates uncertainty, and I know the market also hates seeing the delays when they were all expecting this bill to be sooner rather than much later. So, you know, in my eyes, Trump could single-handedly lose the election from this alone, just from pushing the stimulus bill, because there's so many people who are waiting on this money coming in. And I feel like he's going to change his mind because I still believe will likely lose the election because so many people will be really unhappy with that decision. So we're going to keep a close eye on this and see if he makes any decisions or changes his mind. And for now, we're seeing a dip. And I also purchased more shares of TECL, 100 shares. It was about $30,000 US, 100 shares at an average cost of $2.99. So we saw a massive drop in TECL. I saw it go all the way up to 317 and drop into the 290s again. So, yep, down money. I'm down thousands of dollars, many thousands of dollars. Honestly, actually, if I calculate it right now, just from him tweeting, in the next 15 minutes from that tweet getting released, I lost over $50,000 in my account. $50,000 right on. We're seeing a little bit of recovery, but who knows how the next coming days are going to be. We'll follow along and we'll see what happens. I'm not selling any stocks, so there's an update. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more financial education videos, and I'll see you in the next one.